Long two. Easy basket. Point. Darren, drop. Drop. 2 points. Drop. 2 points for red jersey. Ah, 3 points. Ah, another 3 points. First layup by Gab Perez. Dahil ang gandang pasa nun, 2 points. Step back 3, 3 points. Easy basket, ganun ba na? 2 points. Allen, dinakdak. Easy basket. 3 points. Ibanez, layup is good.
So, try mo. Patabi ng bahay nila NA.
Points. 3-point attempt. 3 points. 3 points by Darren. 50 seconds. Bang! 30 seconds. Bang! Shot clock off. Ang una sa lineup. 2 points by Gab Perez. Nice pass. 2 points by number 3. Oy! 2 points. Ang tino-tino tumataas ang kalamangan. Nice follow. 2 points. 2 points. Drop to number 1. Minadali. Mapapas. Ibanez mag-isa. 2 points. All 3. No good. 2 points by 41-39 in favor of Black Team. 2 points by Darren. Bang! 3 points. 3 minutes remaining. The basket by Gab Perez. Bang! 3 points. All 45. Still the number 1. Ito yun.
5 stilena.
2 points. Lamang now red team by number 3. Importante manalo dito. Bang! 3 points. 2 points. 2 points.
Magagay nga ako nito.
2 points. Our score is 54-49. Bang! 3 points. Ready, Jason. Bang! 3 points. 50 seconds remaining. Easy layup. 3 points. 12 seconds remaining. Bang! Grabe na agad. Nagpapakita na ng connections. 2 points by Ran. Nice pass to Ras. 2 points.
Lipad kasi kaya malamig naman doon.
Uy, grabe naman si Ras.
Kumbaga yung
Good. Pass to Ras. Ras, ano gagawin? Uy, 2 points by Ras. Aba. Labas niya muna, labas niya. Still by Coach Arnold. Last 2 minutes. Triple attempt, no good. 2 points by Ran. Easily up by Coach. Ah, 3 points. 5 seconds.
Three points.
Grabe naman yung 2 points by Coach Arnold. Drop A, grabe naman. 2 points by Ras. Easy basket by Ryan. EJ, lista mo na. 2 points by Coach. No, kalaman. Uy! 2 points by EJ. 2 points by Ras. Atio, 2 strong. 2 points by Ras. Oh, good. And to shoot. 2 points by Mateo. Seconds remaining. 2 points. 15 seconds remaining. 2 points. Sakuragi. 2 points by Sakuragi. Grabe naman sa Sakuragi. 2 points by Greg Shirt. Cristobal, lipad. 2 points by Cristobal.
Grabe yun.
Easy basket by number 1. Nice pass. 2 points. All 6. 2 points by Black Shirt. Nice pass. 2 points by Cristobal. Number 1. 2 points by Black Shirt. Easy basket by White Shirt. Steal by Blue Jersey. Hey! Good ball. Shirt. Defender, no good. Rebound by number 3. 2 points. 2 points by White Shirt. Ano na gagawin? 20 seconds remaining. 3 points. 2 points. All 2 points. Another 3 by Israel. 3 points. Kamao ng dalawang Black Team. Ribad. 2 points. 2 points by number 1. Sack layup, no good. White Shirt, 2 points. And to shoot. Grabe shooting ni Israel. 2 points. No good. Rebound by number 3. Back to Sack, 2 points by Sack. Easy layup. Time remaining, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Uy! 2 points. 40 seconds. 5 seconds remaining. 2 points. 3 points by me. Down 3 points. So good, rebound. Again, EJ, 2 points for EJ. So good, rebound by EJ. EJ, 2 points for EJ. Hey, 2 points by Matillon. 2 points. Felipe. Ay, EJ, 2 points by EJ. Remember, never. 2 points. 2 points. EJ, 2 points by EJ. Easy basket, 2 points. 10 to shoot. 2 points. No good, another rebound by EJ. EJ bump. 2 points good by EJ. 2 points. Down 3 points. 15 to shoot. 2 points by Mateo.
Harap ni Mateo.
Easy basket. 10 to shoot. Easy basket kay EJ yan. 5 seconds remaining. 2 points by EJ. EJ. Easy basket by EJ. Our score is 31-16. 2 points. Easy basket by EJ. 2 points by Felipe. Mateo, easy basket by Mateo. Ah! 2 points. 2 points is good.
When I got the smell, the train, school,
EJ.
I couldn't afford it.
2 points by EJ. Step back by number 5. Down 2 points. Lumipad na 2 points. Ayan na. Last 45 seconds remaining. Easy basket. 4 seconds remaining. 2 points. 50. 10 seconds remaining. Bang! 2 points. 2 points. Hey! Ibanez. 2-pointer. 2 points is good by Ibanez. 2 points by Coach. 2 points. Stop. Pass to Israel. Israel. 2 points by Israel.
Pinakasarahan nila ni Jerry Wet.
2 points by Allen. Yun pa pala yun. Napaganda pa. 2 points by Jerry. By Cristobal. 2 points by Cam. 1 minute remaining. 15 to shoot. 2 points by. 2 points. Dab. Pass to Coach Arnold. Easy basket by Coach. Wala. Rebound by Ibanez. 2 points by Ibanez. Uy! Grabe yun! Israel, 3 point attempt. Bang! 3 points by Israel. Panis! Easy basket by Coach. Two points. Hindi bumulo. Rebound by Jerry. Jerry bumps. Counted by Jerry. Ibanez, 2 points. Israel. Body mastery, 2 points. Grabe yun. Stop, easy basket, 2 points. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 2 points by Cristobal. 2 points. 2 points by Cab Perez. 2 points by Sakuragi. Bam! 3 points. Easy basket by Ibu. 3 points. Two points. 3 points by EJ.
Ano ba? Uy, kulang nga to. Magabot ka pa din.
EJ. 2 points by EJ. Robert. 2 points.
Balik ulo siya 30.
2 points.
Sino kulang? Sabihin mo sa kanya, ano na, 105 plus, ano yung Gcash mo? Ano yung Gcash mo?
Two points.
20.
8? Ano ba yung 8? Sorry. Game. 2 points by Blue Jersey. Easy basket by EJ. 2 points by White Shirt. Nice pass. 3 points. Pull up. And straight. 2 points. Power move by Red Jersey. 2 points by White Shirt. Felipe. 3 points by Felipe. 2 points by White Shirt. Bounce, EJ. Grabe talaga. 2 points by EJ.
Minsan, ano, sa dalawang buwan ng break kami doon. Pagkabilang na, kasi ito namin na yung grand prize, may PTT na ano yun. Salamat sa iyo, bro. Sino na bata?
3 points.
Paparapin ka na.
2 points. 2 points. No good. Rebound by number 1. Easy basket by number 1. No good. 2 points by Black Shirt. EJ, easy basket by EJ. 3 seconds. 2 points by Felipe. Easy basket by number 1. 2 points. Game time. Easy basket. Rebound by Blue Jersey.
Lebron doon, Lebron.
3 points by LeBron. Good. 2 points by LeBron. 5 seconds remaining.
Sa akin, boss.